In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status on Discord on PC. If you want to control how other people see your availability on Discord, this is a quick and useful setting to know. Changing your status can help you show whether you're active, away for a bit, busy, or simply prefer to stay less visible while still using the app. The good news is that this only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. To get started, open Discord on your PC and go to your Discord dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your servers, direct messages, and general account activity. Make sure you're fully loaded into the app before moving on, so all the profile options are visible. Once you're on the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile section there. This area usually includes your profile picture, your display name, and your current status indicator. Go ahead and click on your profile in that bottom left area to open the account menu. After that menu appears, find your current status. In most cases, it will probably say online if you haven't changed it already. Click directly on the status option to open the list of available status choices. This is the setting that controls how your presence appears to other people on Discord. You'll now be able to choose a different status. The available options include idle, do not disturb, and invisible. Idle is useful if you want others to know you may not respond right away. Do not disturb is a good option when you want to avoid interruptions, since it signals that you're busy. Invisible lets you continue using Discord while appearing offline to others, which can be helpful if you want more privacy. Simply click the status you want, and the change will apply immediately. You should see your profile indicator update right away, so you can confirm that the new status is active. If you ever want to switch back, just repeat the same process. Go to your profile in the bottom left corner, click your current status and select a new one. It's a very simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how you manage notifications, conversations, and your visibility on the platform. And that's how to change your status on Discord on PC.